Alright guys, so this is the headlight lens removed from the 840i. As you can see, it's come off in two pieces, and that's the glue that we're trying to remove. So it's really important that we remove all the factory glue in between this seal here, where the headlight lens actually seals up towards the housing. Now the reason why is because when I put the new glue in now, it needs to be nice and water sealed tight. And that is really important. That's where it all says whether condensation will occur within the next few days once the headlight's on or not. So it's really important that we remove as much as we can in here, and then we put our new glue in, heat it up, put the lens back in, and that basically completes the headlight. Now obviously, as you can see, we've still got a little bit there. We're just touching it up a little bit, give the inside a nice little clean, make sure all the chrome is nice and shiny, and then we will proceed further.